there was a forest ranger who was speaking to them. And as we were rushing by, the forest ranger said, "I want to tell you the underground secret of the redwood forest." And I was a teenager in the 1960s, so I have this inclination to underground secrets. So I told my friend, let's just wait and hear what he says. The forest ranger explained that in these forests are among the largest, tallest, and oldest trees on the planet. Some of these trees are 2,000 years old. They're growing on a hilly terrain. The soil is very loose. And over the centuries, there have been massive earthquakes, windstorms, snowstorms. How do these trees keep growing through all of the different challenges that have come? Then he was quiet, and everyone was thinking. He said, "Now I will tell you the underground secret. The roots of the trees under the ground reach out to connect with the roots of other trees. And as soon as two roots meet, they embrace one another. They wrap around each other. In this way," he said, "every tree in this entire forest is directly or indirectly connected and giving support to every other tree." The big, gigantic, ancient redwood trees are reaching out roots, and the little tiny redwood trees, they're just like threads to roots. They wrap around the big ones, and they get all their support. Unity is strength. This is a lesson of nature for humanity, that in unity there is true strength.